Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to view our video about the fundamentals of appliance repair training course that we offer at Cornerstone Appliance Training LLC. I am actually on the fundamentals of appliance repair training page. All you have to do, for those of you that do not know, is if you're on our home page, go to the top of the page, click on our courses, and it'll bring you to the our courses page. Let me show you what that looks like. Or you can click on the says fundamentals of appliances, and it will bring you to this page here. And then you're going to see some of the things that we offer in the fundamentals of appliance course. You see troubleshooting and repair basics, how to test circuit boards, advanced appliance troubleshooting and repair, and so forth and so on. We also now offer a certificate, and then there's a bonus in this course. So let me scroll down. This is all you need to do. And a lot of people asked us, I should say, how long does the course take? All of our courses are online and self-paced, so you get to decide. Our courses are not drip feed. We don't make you wait 2 weeks, a month, 3 months for the next course. You can go as fast or as slow as you like. And now you're going to see the syllabus of the Fundamentals of Appliance course. As you can see, Module 1, the Fundamentals course orientation, and it just kind of gives you a welcome video I'm going to show you here in a second, and how to use the course material. If you scroll down, Chapter 1 is the appliance tools and test instruments. And as you can see, Unit 1 is basic tools, appliance tool bag, appliance test instruments. Then Chapter 2, basic electricity. And you guys can read this. Basic electricity terms and terminology. What is a circuit? And you've got 7 units. Chapter 3 is basic electronics and appliances. It's not as hard as everyone would have you to believe, and I'll show you how to troubleshoot and diagnose it simple, where you can get it, understand it, and it's extremely down to earth. And you've got 6 units here. Then you got Chapter 4, troubleshooting appliances. This one is super easy once you get the basics. And then Chapter 5, I'll show you where to get parts, what parts I recommend you carry if you get our membership. We have 3 memberships that we offer. You can look at that on the Our Courses link. And then Chapter 6, how to read schematics. This one, guys, I go into detail because you're really in residential appliances. If you follow my course, my troubleshooting shortcuts, my step-by-step videos, and how I teach you simple and easy, you're not going to read many schematics in residential appliances. I would even say if you follow the things that I teach you in the course, you won't have to read schematics 2 to 3 times a year, if any. And you'll find out why once you take our courses. And Chapter 7 is the final exam of the Fundamentals of Appliance courses. Now, throughout the course and throughout the membership, you're going to take practice exams, and we tell you immediately if you got it wrong, what you score, and you can take them as often as you like because we want you to grasp the information. We try to make it simple and easy. I apologize for that. I've never been able to turn that off permanently. And recently, we're offering certificates of certification for those that score 90% or higher on the final exams. So you can take the practice exam as often as you like. And we're offering a bonus. This one is a big one as well. Appliance Tech Pro, guys, is a $99.95, $100 value you get for free in the Fundamentals of Appliance Repair Training course at this time. This is the game changer. For those of you that are a little fearful or worried that you won't be able to troubleshoot appliances like you should be able to when you're out there in the field, even though we give you step-by-step videos, troubleshooting shortcuts, Appliance Tech Pro is the game changer. I created that program to make it simple and easy for you to troubleshoot and repair any appliance with about 99 to 95% certainty. So all you have to do is learn it. No software, nothing to download. I teach you a program, or I created a program that shows you 3 simple steps on where you can pretty much troubleshoot any appliance and repair it. Now, for those of you that have the membership or purchase one of our 3 memberships, the starter membership, the business pro, and the professional business bundle, you get live tech support with yours. So again, guys, that's the course syllabus. Now let's take a look at the membership. In the membership area, right here is a short video that introduces the fundamentals course. If you scroll down, this tells you how to maneuver the membership. And then if you scroll down a little further, now some of these links are available in the membership. And for those of you that have taken the fundamentals only course, you're going to get some of this, and some of this is not available to you unless you purchase a membership. What I do want you to know is that you do get credit for purchasing this this $149.95 course towards any of the membership. So in other words, if you purchase, for instance, right now the business bundle, the business pro is $399.95 one-time payment. You will get credit for purchasing this $149.95, deduct the $399 from it, and you will pay $250. So you do get credit for that. Now, here, of course, you don't get a website because you're getting the fundamentals course, but some of the other links are available to you. Technician Diagnostic Guide, Encouragement, Appliance Tech Pro is yours. You don't get the Job Rate Guide, Troubleshooting Shortcuts, and also, guys, you do get the appliance parts. You can purchase these individually if you don't feel like you need to purchase the whole membership. So again, if all you want to do is request a video for you already have a website, appliance repair website, then we'll do that for you. If you just want the job rate guide, you can do that. It's up to you what you need and what you need to purchase. Now, I will say about our website, you need to take a look at the link, because we offer a 20-page appliance repair professionally designed website, already optimized for your area. All you do is fill out this form at the top and tell us exactly what area you're in. Right here, request your website, and we take care of the rest. We offer 6 months hosting, free installation, setup, the whole 9 yards. I'm going to say this as well, guys. If you do have a website is the first appearance or the first glance or the first impression that a customer gets to see about your company. If you have a substandard website or a website that's not that professional, 9 times out of 10, the customer is going to leave your website and go to your go to your competitor. So take a look at your website and make sure it's up to par. Now scroll down a little further, and this is where you get the hands-on training right here. We teach you that, the tools, which is this one, and then you can earn extra money through our ebook if you decide to purchase it. Here's the fundamentals course that you purchase. So all you'll do is, once you're there, click on this link, and then what it'll do is take you step by step through each chapter, module, and practice exam that you are required to take to complete the course. I apologize for this slow internet, but here's the introduction, here's the course itself, and then here's an introduction video, and then you scroll down, and the first one you're going to see is the tools. Then I show you the tools that you need, some of them that we suggest after you take a look at the course. Here's the specialty. Here's after you finish the appliance tools course chapter, then you can click on the basic electricity. or you can go back to the membership area and you'll do that throughout the course. Everything is designed step by step. And I want to make one more point. We have this suggestion block at the bottom of every page. Guys, I welcome your suggestions. If you decide or you think there's a video that we need to explain more in detail, please send us a suggestion. My goal and my desire for Cornerstone Appliance Training is to make this the best online course that is on the internet and in the appliance repair industry. I will continue to improve it each and every day that I can, and I welcome your suggestions. So again, this is our fundamentals course, and this is where you will get a chance to see exactly what you get. You can get a certification of certificate of completion once you get a 90% or higher on the final exam. You get 2 chances to take the final exam, and right now at the making of this video it is free. After the 2 chances, then we'll decide. Usually we make you wait anywhere from 90 days to 6 months to retake it. We don't want to pass out a certificate of certification until we know for sure that you grasp this information. So again, the Fundamentals of Appliance Repair Training course is $149.95 at the making of this video. If you want to purchase one of the memberships, which includes the courses for free, then just go to Our Courses, click on that link, and then all you have to do is follow the links on that page, and then you will have access to the refrigerator course, membership discounts, professional business bundle, appliance blue book, selling used appliances, advanced troubleshooting, business management. We're going to offer more and more courses because we want you guys to be successful and choose the course that best fits your needs. Thank you again for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website at cornerstoneappliancetrainingcourse.com or give us a call. Click on the contact and you can call us at the 800 number or our local number. Again, I thank you for watching the video.